Today's recipe is perfect for a special meal. It can be served as an entree, which we've done, or can be a main meal with the addition of mashed potatoes and a side salad. King oyster mushrooms are the key ingredient. They naturally have a very meaty texture when cooked and a lovely earthy flavour. To prepare, remove the root and cut into thick pieces. Mushrooms are naturally high in water content, so will shrink during the cooking process. Add your soy milk and mirin to a bowl, then place your mushroom pieces in. The purpose is to add more moisture to the mushrooms to mimic an actual scallop. Do not add any salt at this stage, as it will remove water from the mushroom, which is the opposite of what we're trying to achieve. To prepare the cauliflower, remove the florets from the stem. Water and cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until tender. Place the cooked cauliflower into a high-speed blender along with salt, pepper and soy milk. Blend until smooth. Place each piece onto absorbent kitchen paper or a clean towel to remove any excess moisture. Heat your non-stick pan on high. When hot, place your mushrooms in. Add salt and pepper. Cook until they develop a golden crust. Then turn and repeat on the other side. Here is the finished product, garnished with some fresh chives. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. For more videos, click the like button and subscribe, and the bell icon. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.